Okay, we're looking forward to the UEFA playoffs draw for the World Cup 2026. 16 teams involved. There will be 8 semi-final ties leading towards 4 finals, 4 qualifiers, and most importantly of all, both Irish teams involved in this draw. So, who can the Republic of Ireland meet? Well, they are in pot 3, and that means they will be away from home in the playoffs, and they're going to play either Poland, Wales, Czechia, which is the former Czech Republic, and Slovakia, who finished runners-up in Northern Ireland's group. Northern Ireland are in pot 4. They got there by virtue of winning their Nations League section earlier this year. They will have the toughest tests possible, facing one of the pot 1 teams, which is either Italy, Denmark, Turkey, or Ukraine. So after the semi-final ties are drawn out, what happens next? Well, they will pair off teams to meet in each of the finals in 4 paths, and there is no home and away guarantee there. So if Northern Ireland or the Republic of Ireland, or hopefully both, get through, they may well have home ties, and if they win those, they will be heading off to USA, Mexico, Canada for World Cup 2026.